Hi guys and welcome back. I don't even know why I did that. That was not attractive. I am so excited to film today's video because as you saw in the thumbnail and the title of this video, I'm using the Pür X Rawbeautykristi collab. I've had this eyeshadow palette for about 3 days and I've been so antsy to film, but I haven't had time just because of work and being exhausted from going in at 6 a.m. every day. So this was the first day I was actually able to sit down and film with it and use it. And as you can tell, I'm pretty pumped. Or it could be the coffee, because I made extra strong coffee this morning and it has riled me up. I'm sure if you're clicking on this video, you have seen this palette all over YouTube. And I mean, come on, it's the palette that broke the internet. I'm pretty sure we all know what this palette is all about. So because of all of that, this isn't going to be my normal review type of video. If you want to see a in-depth review, there's plenty out there. I just want to have fun and do a look with this palette because from what I've seen, this is a hella good palette. I may look a little crazy right now because I basically just have my base makeup on and some lip product and my eyebrows, so I look a little weird and I have a little Shih Tzu top knot going on, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and jump into this look. If you would like to see what I come up with, then keep on watching. Alright, I'm going to start off with some concealer. I technically have some already on my eye. Oh, today is nail day because this is a travesty right here. Whew. Since I do drag some concealer up on my eye when I do my base makeup, but I just wanted to refresh it and make sure that it's even. Let me go ahead and show you the palette. Here she is. It is a double-sided palette, which I just think is so cool. All the art on the palette is drawn by Christy, which is pretty cool. It has her cats, her husband, You're Not My Real Dad coffee cup, which I just think so cute, and some other stuff going on, which if you want to know more about the palette, definitely go watch her video explaining everything because she's one of my favorite YouTubers. So this side is the more neutral side, which I will do another look with the neutral side for sure. And then it has the colorful side, which you guys know I'm all about bright colored eyeshadow looks, and I will be using this side today. I'm gonna start off with the purple, which is called Tribute. Just kind of dust that all over. Now, Christy did say that this palette does have some kickback. That has never bothered me. You guys know how I feel about it. And the amount isn't even that bad. They're soft pressed pigments, so it makes sense that you're gonna get a little bit of kickback. Ooh, bitch. Damn. You do not need a lot of that. I dipped in maybe a couple of times, and that's a lot going on. It does blend out, so even though I kind of went in a little much there at first, it blended out really nicely. I'm going to take a little bit of Garden State right above that, just barely. I just want the slightest bit of that. Whew, a lot came off there. Just taking the flat part of this and literally, oh bitch, yeah, we are dark. Just the slightest bit right up here. I haven't put my brow bone highlight on yet, so that'll mute it down as well. I'm gonna go back in with that purple and then deepen that a little bit more. I think I'm gonna cut my crease a little bit, basically just the inner part of it. I'm not gonna do like a full cut crease or anything, but just the inner corner of my eye, inner part of my eye. Now I'm gonna go in with that yellow. which is called Dandelion. Oh, wow. Wow. Then I think I'm going to go in with Am I Orange, which is just the cutest name. I feel like that happens to me a lot too. When it just changes color on you. Oh my goodness, the shade. Now I'm going to go in with a really small brush and go in with that purple and try and bring it out a little bit more on top here. Then just blend it out a little bit. Then I'm going to go in with the purple again, just on the outer corner of my eye. I think we kind of lost Garden State here, but I don't mind. I don't think I was in love with that shade being there, so it's okay. Now I'm going to take some Cafe Disco, this beautiful shimmer shade right here, and put this right on my brow bone. Oh, wow. That's gorgeous. Yeah, baby. I love that. Let's go ahead and do the bottom of my, or my lower lash line. I'm going to go ahead and take Dandelion again. Put that on the inner part here. I'm going to connect it. Just like that. Basically follow the same thing that we did on the top here, and then just go in with Am I Orange? Then I kind of want to take Lumos, the white shade, and put that on my waterline. Sorry guys, you know I have to bend down for that or I would show you. All right, so what I'm gonna do is go off camera, put some lashes on and mascara, and then come back and give my final thoughts on this palette. All right guys, so here is the final look. I did add 3 jewels on the inside on both sides just because I wanted this to be a very dramatic, colorful, crazy look. And I think that's what I accomplished. Whew, there's a lot going on in this frame. Color-wise, with my hair, this shirt, and this eye look, there's a lot of color going on. This palette is absolutely stunning. I know I didn't get to use the neutral side yet. If you guys want to see a look with me using the neutral colors, I'll be more than happy to do it. In fact, I'll probably just do it anyway just because I want to try this side out. But as far as the colors that I used, they are stunning. They are pigmented, vibrant. They blend beautifully. Even if you accidentally put too much on like I did with the purple, it blends out so seamlessly that even though I made that mistake, it really didn't matter in the end. I know I kind of messed up when it came to Garden State up top. That was my fault. Obviously, that wasn't the shade or the color or anything like that. I just ended up basically covering it up with the purple. I'm kind of glad that I did because I'm really digging this eye look. I was actually very surprised how pigmented and crazy that white was. I've used whites in the past and they just aren't this. Whatever formula is in this palette is amazing, is bomb. And if you don't have this palette, I mean, can you even get this palette now? You might not be able to get this palette because they did that pre-sale. Ooh, they'll bring it back, right? There's high demand for this palette. They'll bring it back. I'm gonna call it now. They're gonna bring it back. But I was gonna say, if you don't have your hands on this palette, make sure you get it. I guess be patient, because something that is in this high of demand, why would you not bring it back? You know? I'm so glad I got it. I really wanted to support Christy with her first collab. I'm sure many more are to come down the road, but for her first collab, she broke the internet. She nailed this out of the ballpark, This is probably one of my favorite palettes. I know I say that about a lot of palettes that come out, it's the new thing, but there is something just so convenient, and the formula being so good, it just is such a good palette that I could seriously see me using this over and over and over again. Alright guys, so that is it for this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. I would really appreciate it, and I will see you guys on my next one. Thanks for watching.
Oh,